One of the things that stood out to us about Cordelia is their reputation in the industry and their reputation locally here. They care about their customers and they care about their employees, and that just aligns so much with what we believe as BISH'S.
We started in a very small, like little huts, and then we just grew from there. We basically worked on the asphalt, treated the customer right. We got a great team we built here.
We have customers that have come back and bought their second RV or their third RV, or even bring their kids or their grandkids back to buy an RV from us.
They talk a lot about how the customer is so important to them and what they're willing to do for a customer.
Our philosophy and our theory is customer always comes first, no matter what.
It's just been an amazing ride with Cordelia's growth, and we're really excited about our relationship with BISH'S RV.
That legacy, the ability to have that is so true to who we are, of being able to take care of our customers up front.
Ultimately, we built the business based on that concept, caring about the individual, caring about the customer, treating them like family. I think they're going to be in great hands with BISH. Cordelia just made a bigger family.
BISH'S RV can allow us additional resources and locations and the ability to service outside of our area that we focused on for a long time to come.
We're honored for them to pass that torch to us and for them to trust us to be able to do that.